Hey there, welcome to Fluency Goals. I'm Mandeep, your English coach. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about 10 words, 10 advanced words that we use every day in our conversations. And trust me, if you know these 10 words, their usage, then your English is amazing. So, let's quickly jump into the lesson, shall we? Benevolent. Notice the pronunciation. It's benevolent. Benevolent. So somebody who is kind and is always willing to help others can be called as benevolent. The benevolent teacher always helped her students with their problems. Now, this word is used as an adjective to describe mostly people. The benevolent teacher, the benevolent host. His benevolent smile made everyone feel welcome. Now, we have learned the usage of benevolent as kind and warm-hearted. In the first sentence, the benevolent teacher, it meant that the teacher was kind. And in the second sentence, benevolent smile indicates a warm, welcoming smile. Moving on to number 2, resilient. Resilient. Somebody who is able to recover from difficult and tough situations can be called as resilient. There are some people who just shatter after facing so many difficulties in their life, but then there are some who rise from the difficulties, overcome their challenges with a resilient force. Children are often more resilient than adults. Her resilient spirit helped her overcome many obstacles. Ethereal. Ethereal. Ethereal is something very light and delicate, almost so delicate that it seems like it's from another world. The ethereal beauty of northern lights left everyone in awe. Awe means surprise, shock. Her voice had an ethereal quality that captivated the audience. So some people, when they speak so softly, so delicately. So you can describe that voice as ethereal. Nefarious. Nefarious. Nefarious is something that is very wicked and evil. They uncovered a nefarious scheme to steal company secrets. His nefarious activities eventually led to his arrest. So, evil, wrongful activities that are very wicked. So, they can be described as nefarious. The next one, I like the sound of this word, nonchalant. Nonchalant. So we can say that somebody has a nonchalant attitude if he's very calm and relaxed and doesn't show any worry or excitement. Nonchalant is an adjective and nonchalance is a noun. Yusuf Dikat's nonchalance at the Olympics took the internet by storm. The nonchalant attitude of Yusuf Dikat at the Olympics left everyone in awe. So you see, use nonchalance as a noun and nonchalant as an adjective. Quaint. Quaint. Quaint means strange. So something very unusual. So something that is very unusual or attractively old-fashioned can be termed as quaint. They stayed in a quaint cottage by the sea. Her quaint mannerisms charmed everyone she met. Obsolete. Obsolete. So when something is no longer used because there is something better that exists instead of that thing, it becomes obsolete. Like floppy disks became obsolete after the introduction of CD, then CDs became obsolete after the introduction of pen drives. So whenever there is a technological advancement and the better options become available, the older things they become obsolete. So the older technology becomes obsolete. The company replaced its obsolete equipment with the new technology. The old computer was rendered obsolete by the latest models. Elicit. Elicit. Elicit means to draw out response or reaction from someone. The teacher's question was designed to elicit thoughtful responses from the students. His speech elicited applause from the audience. The last one here is adept. Adept. Don't confuse it with adapt. Adapt means to adjust. Adept means to be skillful. Skillful or being very good at something. She is adept at solving complex puzzles. Adept at. Notice the collocation adept at doing something. He became adept at playing the guitar after years of practice. So that was all about the today's lesson. If you knew all these words, then your English is amazing. And if you didn't know a few of these, then I hope that this lesson definitely taught you something. If you liked it, then please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you receive all the notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next week with another lesson. Till then, happy learning.